Hey Brime, hey Threve. Hello. I'm back temporarily, hello. Yeah, I'm starting the stream in a few minutes. Give me a moment. Hello, testing, testing. Okay, mic seems good. Bam. Hello. Good morning. Or afternoon, evening, wherever you are. I'm back, temporarily. I'm still not fully back. This is more like a guerrilla stream. Anyways, today I want to learn some React Remix because my job uses it and I suck at it. I need some motivation to get better at it. So I've pulled up the 30-minute tutorial on the Remix website and we're gonna try it. Yeah, that's the plan. Hi Threve, hi Brime. Okay, yeah, let's go. I guess in case you don't know, React is like a JavaScript library, I think. And then Remix is a framework inside the library that you can use to build websites. Dave says, I don't know much about Remix, but I can help you with React. Ooh, that is nice, thank you. Yeah, for context, I tried the quick start on on React, so I have some basic React understanding now, though very weak. And then I tried the 5-minute Remix quick start thing. Yeah. Okay, let's start the tutorial. We'll be building a small but feature-rich app that lets you keep track of contacts. Yeah, it looks like a contacts manager application. There's no database or other production-ready things, so we can stay focused on Remix. We expect it to take about 30 minutes if you're following along. Otherwise, it's a quick read. I doubt that it's going to take us 30 minutes. I'm so new at JavaScript and stuff and React. Building this in 30 minutes, that seems seems questionable. Every time you see this, it means you need to do something in the app. The rest is just here for your information. Okay. Create a basic template. npx create remix latest. Okay, so we're using npm, executing, making a remix project and downloading the template. So maybe that's why it's faster. They gave us a template. Oh. Okay. I am using WSL. I'm on Windows, by the way. I'm developing on Windows, so I'm using a virtual machine, WSL. I'm basically running Linux on Windows. Oh, bam. Hopefully y'all can see this. Okay, where should we create your new project? Sure, that's a okay file name. Initialize a new Git repository? Nope. Install dependencies? Sure. Therese says, WSL, let's go. Yeah, because how else? Honestly, I couldn't figure out a way how else I'm gonna stream. Like, easily, and then develop at the same time. I could stream on Mac, but then all my old setup isn't gonna work. I'd have to reset up everything, so I'm just gonna use my old streaming computer with WSL. Seems like a good compromise. Oh, Reified. Hi. Reified says, hi chat. Hi Reified. How you doing? Long time no see. I'm doing good. I'm currently still ramping up on my new job. Yeah, I'm learning a lot. I'm currently learning Remix React because I suck at it. My job uses it a little bit. Okay, looks like I made a Remix app here. Cool. This uses a pretty bare bones template but includes our CSS. Yes, okay. The quick start, I did that. Okay, start the app. CD wherever you put the app. npm install, npm run dev. Okay. So we're gonna make this smaller. Hopefully y'all can still see it. Let me know if it's too small. Or should I just do that? Okay. So we're gonna do cd into my Remix app. Alright. And then npm run dev to run the development version of the Remix/Remix app. And I guess it's just starting up right now. Solar says, have you seen my coding battle with Chi-Chi Impact? No, I haven't. Can you send me that link? Hi Solaris. Brian says, the coding battles continue? Maybe actually. I'm thinking about relearning lead coding in Python now that I have some downtime from job searching. Yeah. Might be fun. Reified says, did you find a backend dev job? Oh. It doesn't really say in the job description, but it's more like a full stack job. I work in both backend and frontend now. Yeah. backend is like Python, so it gives me all the more reason to learn a LeetCode in Python. And then front end and a little bit of front end is in JavaScript, Remix React. Oh shoot. Thanks, Solaris. I see the link. I'm gonna watch this later, maybe at the end of the stream. Dang, 2-hour battle. Code Forces race with Solaris. Dang, what website is this?
Am I winning? No.
Am I winning? No. Okay. Very sick. I'll check that out later. Oh, thanks, Reified. It's very nice of you. But yeah, that's why I was gone for a while. I was ramping up for the job. I've actually posted a YouTube video on, that I found a job. But, yeah, I guess the information did not reach Twitch. Okay, so apparently the app should be hosted over here now. Oh no. Why did it break out of incognito mode? Okay, there we go. There's the app. Threef says, OMG, you are using WSL, but you have the file in your Windows machine, then raw dogging React with Vite. You need to add some weird configuration stuff to get the reloads. IDK about your case now. Oh, I know what you're talking about. I tested this out. Well, yeah, I don't know if there's a better solution for this. Why is my... Holy. Sorry, my chat on OBS just morphed into a really weird shape. Solar says, no LeetCode today. Nope, I'm going all out on web development right now. Oh, I can't read chat anymore. No, I haven't streamed in a month and this is what happens. Docs. View. Well, yeah, why is my... I can't read chat anymore. It's in such a weird... We can see a side of OBS, by the way. Imagine LeetCoding we can do an actual project. Well, yeah, this is so weird. I can't read chat anymore, no. Okay, I think I figured it out. Okay, got it. Okay. Yeah, okay, we got our Remix React template deployed. What now? The root route, note the file at app/root.tsx. Okay, time to make this smaller. App root.tsx. Okay, allegedly, this is what we call the root route. It's the first component in the UI that renders, so it typically contains the global layout for the page. That's the code over here. Okay, so allegedly this is like, I don't know. This is like the update function in Unity where everything begins. Okay, what do we have here? We imported a bunch of stuff that I don't understand. We have a app thing, export default function app. I guess that's what's being rendered. We have a HTML looking thing. I know it's not actual HTML though. It's probably JSX, right? That's our header, that's our body. We have a sidebar. Okay. That contains our header 1 remix contacts over there. We have a div. We have a form ID. We have is this a search input? Type search. Yeah, so this is this thing. We have a new button over here. Okay, and then we have a navigation thing with your name and friend with links to these. Okay. Cool. I understand the basic layout of this then, okay. Adding style sheets with links. While there are multiple ways to style your Remix app, we're going to use a plain style sheet that's already been written to keep things focused on Remix. You can import CSS files directly into JavaScript modules. Vite will fingerprint the asset and save it to your builds client directory and provide your module with the publicly accessible href. This sentence made no sense to me. Vite will fingerprint the asset and save it to your builds client directory and provide your module with publicly accessible href. Okay, so Vite is the build engine, right? The thing that's building our website. So when you build it, in the build folder somewhere, it will allow easy access to the CSS. Is that what it means? It is still HTML. Is it still HTML? I read that this is JSX or something. I guess it looks like HTML. Okay, import the app styles. Import type links function from Remix run node. What the heck is links function? Okay, so we're gonna import links function from Remix run /node. Okay. So that goes here. Vite is the build tool, best build tool even. Oh, I see. Import app styles href from .app.css.url. So we're importing from here. Import app styles href. App styles href. What? URL remix.css URL. Wait, is there a URL here? Oh, here. Okay. Is that the URL? 1 of 4. Sidebar. Index page before. So I'm guessing this is the URL where we're importing from. Okay. I'm just trying to understand the code that I'm importing. 3 prime says JSX stands for JavaScript XML, and it is a syntax extension to JavaScript based in ES6. Oh, it allows you to write HTML in React by converting HTML into React components. Basically allows you to reuse HTML instead of JavaScript. I see. So it is JavaScript ported to HTML somehow. Okay, and then we are exporting const links function. What is this? Links. We're making a function that's like rel style sheet href app style href. All right. And we see nothing here. Okay. We should be seeing the new CSS stuff, right? Okay. Yeah, I think this was the thing 3 was talking about, right? We need to do some special config for virtual machines to get it to render. Manvik Bazaz, hi. Hello, how are you doing? Okay, I have my notes here. So in order to have the React app react like in real time to our changes, we need to add a .env file, .env, bam. And then in here, we need to add chokidar, which is apparently the file watching library that Vite uses. And then we have to tell it use polling is equal to true. So apparently, according to my research, chokidar is the file watching library that Vite uses to watch over, what files changes while the server is going so that it can update our app. Usually it watches for like events on our OS, right? For what files are changing, but virtual machines, it kind of works differently. We have to manually pull the files again and again. So we're telling it to manually pull the files in order to watch for changes. I think that's what's going on. Yeah. Okay, let's start the server again. Oh, frick. I just touched again. Did that do anything bad? Nope, okay. Let's start the server again. 3 says usually exports are placed at the end of the file for good consistency. Oh, okay. Well, bam. You just touched again. Yeah, I did. I don't think it overrode anything though. Did it do anything? Oh, here. Oh, look, it updated. Yay. What happens if we remove this export? Yeah, it reverts back. And then if we put back this export and save it, hey, it turns pretty nice. Okay. Cool. I'm still having a hard time understanding what this code does though. What is this? Every route can export a links function. They will be collected and rendered into the links component we rendered in app/root.tsx. Every route can export a links function. Okay, so that's what we're doing here. This is the links function. So we called it links. Is this the return type links function? Okay, every route can export a links function, which is this right now. And for our case, we're doing rel style sheet href app style href. Okay. Okay, so we're importing links function just to define that function down there. And we're importing our CSS from here, from .app.css/URL. Okay, we're importing from a URL, I guess. I have no idea how I would have figured this out. And then apparently our links thing over here takes care of the links. Sure, okay. That's not very concrete, but I guess I understand generally what it's doing. The app should look something like this now. Yay. The contact route UI. If you click on one of the sidebar items, you'll get the default 404 page. Let's create a route that matches the URL/context1. Yeah, 404 not found. Your friend. Friends. Not found. Okay. Create the app roots directory and contact route module. Let's create a route that matches the URL context/1. We're just gonna name it 1. Okay. App/routes directories. This is our app. Do we already have a routes thing? App/routes/contacts. Okay. So we're gonna make a new directory. Our app is running on this virtual machine or this terminal, so I'll make a new one. CD remix tutorial. CD my remix app. Okay. We're here. Okay, so we're gonna make a new routes folder under app. There we go, it appeared there. And then we're gonna touch /contacts. Is this the entire file name? We named it so weird. /contact ID. Okay. We're gonna make a new file apparently here. Bam. You don't have a routes thingy in there yet? Oh, yeah. Damn. We named this so weirdly. contactid.tsx. Okay. I'm assuming the $ contact ID can be replaced with stuff, right? Like the one that kind of looks like string template format. In the remix route file convention, it's probably the way to make the things with the ID automatically. I see. Dot will create a slash in the URL. But yeah, dot. We did a weird dot / thing here. Yeah, what was this weird dot /? Oh wait, was this / for the $? Dot will create a slash in the URL. Dot will create a slash in the URL. Oh no, the dot is still there. And $ makes a segment dynamic. I just had to read more. We just create a route that will match URLs that look like this. /contact /123 /contact /abc. Okay, makes sense. So this / was for the $, I guess. Add the contact component UI. The contact component UI, so we're putting this in that new file we just created. Okay. Official voice Sotaru. Oh, it's Yosuke. Hey Chet. Hi. Hello, how you doing? Long time no see. I'm learning how to build websites for the new job. I'm just following a tutorial over here. Feel free to copy and paste. Man. What the heck did we just paste here? Are they gonna explain what we pasted? Now, if we click one of the links or visit contacts one, we get ... nothing new. Your name. Oh hey. We don't 404 area anymore. What are we expecting this to use the RAFCE shortcut? What's the RAFCE shortcut? Yosuke says, hey, I'm good, what about you? Oh, I'm good too. Yeah, I'm just ramping up on my new job. I'm learning React Remix now because I suck at it. My job sometimes uses it. Yosuke says, I'm also going to be a coder now, by the way. Like, I'm going to do tech stuff for my subject. Hey, let's go. Good luck on that. It's for writing the React-based thingy immediately, lols, if you were going to write that manually. I usually learn better like that. Wait. What? Wait, what's the shortcut again? And where do I type it? Okay, what was the code we just copied? How is the job and websites going so far? Oh, it's going good. The job is, it takes a lot of time, so I don't have time to do streaming anymore. At least every day. I'm still in the ramp-up phase, so things are very hectic. I'm learning a lot. It's pretty fun though, learning how their website works and how they implement stuff. This website is going fine. I'm just following a tutorial. Reggie says, hi, how are you doing? I'm doing good, hello. When the file is empty and you write the autocomplete thing, ID is gonna have it put that in. Oh, shoot. What's the shortcut? RAF. Can you type the shortcut again? My chat already scrolled way too far. Okay, so we have a function called contact that we export as default in this file. Constant contact. Okay, so this is a dictionary. Contains a first, last name, your avatar, Twitter, notes, true. Man, there's so many chats today. How is the new job? It's going good. It takes a lot of time. That's the only downside. I am learning a lot though. Do you have the React plugin? I don't think I do. React plugin. React. Whoa, which React plugin? Reggie says, what's your job role? Oh, I'm a full stack engineer. I was a backend engineer before, so I'm okay with the backend stuff, but I've never really done front-end stuff before, so that's why I'm doing this. Holy, which React extension? I imagine it's this one, the most popular one. 13 million downloads. Okay, what's the shortcut that you were saying? The RA something snippets. Huh. React RAFCE. RAFCE. Oh, here. Oh. Got you. Okay. So if I just do RAFCE. Oh. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Got it. Okay. Keep that in mind. RAFCE. Should I write down this shortcut? RAFCE. Yet I got to go, but I hope you have a fun time. Thanks, Yosuke. Thanks for stopping by again. Okay. What does this code do? So we return a div called contact. It has a image. Okay. And then a header that prints out the first and last name. Sure. Wait. And it prints out no name if there's no name. Okay, it prints out your Twitter, your contact notes. Okay. And then it contains options to destroy. Wait, but please confirm if you want to delete this record. Oh, okay. Contains options to delete the contact too. Well, what is this? Remove from favorites, add to favorites. Okay, so you can favorite your contacts too. There should probs be a plugin for Remix too. Oh, Do you think it's a good idea to like learn Remix with plugins first or React with plugins first? Oh look, there's like Remix documentation too. Remix snippets. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to learn how to actually do something with the routes. Nested routes and outlets. Since Remix is built on top of React Router, it supports nested routing. In order for child routes to render inside of parent layouts, we need to render an outlet in the parent. Let's fix it. Open up app/root.tsx and render an outlet. It supports nested routing, child routes to render inside of parent layouts. Wait, what does that mean? Nested routing, child routes to render inside of parent layouts. Does it mean like, let's say like this whole thing, like a child can render inside of here dynamically, and then the parent stays the same? Huh. Pretty cool. Render an outlet. We have an outlet, right? Oh, no, we don't. But, we have outlet, sure. And then we have another div called details outside of the taskbar. Okay, so this entire thing over here is the taskbar. And then we render this thing called details with an outlet. So I imagine this is going to be the thing outside of, like to the right of the sidebar here. Okay, now the child route should be rendering through the outlet. Really, that's it? Yo! That's pretty cool. So if I remove these contacts and click your name, huh? That's pretty cool. Huh. Wait, that's pretty cool. You can just like render child stuff here by putting an outlet object. Reeve says that's how frameworks work, lols. That's kind of mind-blowing to me, actually. You didn't have to reload the page at all, or like, well, you did kind of have to reload the page, but you basically just rendered something like, this is just a replacement for whatever you want to render. That's pretty cool. Okay. Client-side routing. You may or may not have noticed, but when we click the links in the sidebar, the browser is doing a full document request for the next URL instead of a client-side routing. Client-side routing. Okay. Client-side routing allows our app to update the URL without requesting another document from the server. Instead, the app can immediately render a new UI. Let's make it happen with Link. What? I did not understand what I just read. The browser is doing a full document request for the next URL instead of client-side routing. Okay, so basically we're going to, the browser is doing a whole new request to the server for the next thing to render, but it's saying instead this can all happen like on the client side within the browser. Like the browser can just do the work instead of making another server call. Is that what it's saying? Update the URL without requesting another document. So it's gonna, the browser client side is gonna do the changes of the UI/rendering itself, and then it's gonna update the URL itself. So no need for another server call. Okay. Change the sidebar arep to link to. 3 says there is server-side routing and client-side routing. In client-side, everything happens within the browser. Okay. In server call, it has to be called from the server. Okay. I was on the right track then. Okay, yeah, so I imagine client side, it's a bit more, I don't know, faster, because you don't need another API call to the server, I guess. Maybe faster, yeah. Change the sidebar ahref to link to. Okay. We need to import link now. So form link. Okay, so the nav bar. This is in the sidebar. Where's the nav bar? Nav, the unordered list item, link to. So instead of href, we do ahref, we do link to. Man, they abstracted out so much stuff for us. It's almost kind of... Okay, so... And then we don't need the... Oh, here. Link. Okay, we change all this to link objects now. Increases speed of the website, both have their use cases. So apparently this converts the link to a client side rendering? Okay, sure. Now you can open the network tab in the browser DevTools to see it's not requesting documents anymore. Oh. Okay, will we actually feel it? Will it actually feel faster? Your name. Ooh. I don't know if that was just placebo effect, but it did feel faster. Snap. Like immediately. Let's open up the network tab like it says to. Where's the network tab? Here. Okay. So this is the main page. Let's clear it. Bam. It doesn't reload the page. Okay, I see 3 things here. We have a 200 to get the JPEG. Is that what this is? Okay, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna experiment a little. I'm gonna remove the link tos, and then I'm gonna watch what it does in the network thing. So refresh this. Go to the home page. Okay, bam. I don't know. I think it still did make the same calls. Do you see that it's not requesting documents anymore? I mean, it never was. Am I not looking at the right place? Mm. 2 milliseconds, 79 milliseconds, 9 milliseconds. Okay, let's bring back the links. Actually, before we save that, is it actually that much slower? It doesn't reload the page. Also, you should be able to make a component that has the list of URLs, and you will have to write every URL manually in there. The tutorial will probably get into it later. Has the list of URLs. Also, I don't think you'll notice much change with the Solito data lols. Ah, okay. I don't know. The network seems to be doing the exact same thing. Okay, whatever. Maybe too little data? I don't know. Okay, loading data. URL segments, layouts, and data are more often than not copied, dribbled together. We can see it in this app already. We have root list of contacts, contact individual contacts. Yeah, okay. So this individual contact will probably be a subset of this list of contacts. Because of this natural coupling, Remix has data conventions to get data into your route components easily. There are two APIs we'll be using to load data loader and use loader data. First, we'll create and export a loader function in the root route, and then render the data. The following code has a type error in it. We'll fix it in the next section. Okay, we're going to be importing JSON. Sure. Use loader data. Okay. Existing imports. Import get contacts from /data. Get contacts from /data. Okay, so that's from here. We have a get contacts function. Fake contacts. Destroy. Okay. Get contacts. So what is this? This is a asynchronous function that it manually waits 500 milliseconds, I think. So you get all of your fake contacts and you sort them and then you return. Okay, you sort them by last name and creation date. Okay, makes sense. Okay, const loader is equal to async await get contacts, return JSON contacts. Got it. Okay. Okay, line 19. So basically we have a function that's asynchronous because this fake function is asynchronous too for no reason. So we're getting all of our contacts sorted by last name, creation date, and then we're converting it to JSON. This is a line cross through it. Apparently it's deprecated. Oh well. Const contacts is equal to use loader data. Okay, so in the app itself, we're going to do this contacts. Why is it complaining? Contacts is declared, but its value is never read. Oh, we're going to fix that later. Holy. Okay. So if contacts has any sort of length, we do a unordered list with holy cheeses. We have a list item. This seems way more complicated than what we're doing before. So this is a link to, okay, list item, the key is that, and that's a link to contact/contact ID. Okay, I'll just copy this first. So this goes all inside the nav thing. Nav, where are you? Oh, here. Why is this complaining? Contact implicitly has any type. Okay. My brain. It breaks if it takes more than 500 milliseconds? Oh really, did I get that wrong? Data.ts. New promise set timeout resolve 500. Oh, I see. It's the timeout. Okay. Okay. So it's the get all. Okay. Naruhodo. Oh, this code, it looks so complicated. So we do a link to this page. If it is a last name, then we'll do first and last name. Else we do no name. I feel like we're doing a lot of code from the context thing. Oh well. That's it. Remix will now automatically keep that data in sync with your UI. The sidebar should now look like this. Keep that data in sync with your UI. Huh, okay. Okay, let's save this. Yo! Okay, so the nav bar is now completely populated. Okay. That's pretty cool. Man, my mind still can't. There was a Tsundere VS Code plugin where it would yell at you if you had any red lines appearing walls. That sounds hella funny. How do I get it? Tsundere. No. Oh well. The TypeScript issues are fun though. I'm still trying to wrap my mind around what this does. Link to. Okay, I think this is the name that it's writing on the button thing, right? So if it is a first or last name, then render out the first and last name, else print no name. Contact is a favorite, then you put a star after it. Is that what it's doing? Okay. Data.ts. Contact record. Where's our contact records? Fake contacts. Oh. These are our fake contacts. I'm gonna put Chet Spinny Eyes. And then we have the Reeve. Last name Prime. Okay. I want to see what happens if the last name is just empty. No name. Ah, that's what it does. Where's Chet? Spinny Eyes is here. Oh yeah, it's sorted by last name. 3 Prime is here. Nice, okay. I'm gonna shoot myself up like this. 3 Prime will be up like here. Hey. Okay, nice. Mom, look, I'm famous, haha. Type interface. You may have noticed TypeScript complaining about the contact type inside the map. We can add a quick annotation to get type inference about our data with type of loader. Type of loader. Export default function app. use loader data. So we do type of loader. Complaining about the contact type inside the map. We can add a quick annotation to get type inference about our data with type of loader. I don't get it. What did we just do? What if I remove this? Property contacts does not exist on type unknown. Use loader data. Huh? What is it doing? That's the loader. We're using the get loader data. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this without the tutorial. So it's complaining context does not exist on type unknown. And this line just tells it to stop it. Type of loader returns the type of the thingy called loader. Okay. And loader returns a JSON. So you're giving it a type, okay. So context was like, context does not exist on type unknown. Oh, wait. I think I see it. So, wait, what does JSON do? What does JSON? It returns a JSON function. My brain. Wait, what is this returning? And we're just mapping it to a context within the dictionary. Oh well, I'll think about that later. Like in Java, where you have to put the type of the variables or types that functions return, TypeScript makes it possible for JavaScript to do that. Yeah, I understand that this is returning the type. I guess it's telling it that it's a JSON type now. Huh. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to explain this code for me. Like, why can't we just put this inside of a dictionary and assign it to it? Explain this code. Why it's contacts inside a dictionary. Is a hook, okay. Load data into a component before it's rendered. This is a destructuring assignment, okay. Returns an object and the code is extracting the context property from that object. Oh. Okay. Context will be available as a standalone variable representing, okay. Okay, so we're just getting the context portion of the JSON. Okay. Got you, okay. I think you forgot the please. URL params and loaders. We should be setting our old static contact page again. Seeing our old static contact page again with one difference. The URL now has a real ID for the record. Does it? 3 prime. Ah, it does. Alex Anderson, Chet B. Spinny Eyes. How are we passing that in? Link to, here. Contact/contact.id. Okay, we're doing a string template here. Got it. Remember the contact ID part of the file name at this dynamic segments will match dynamic changing values in that position. Yes, we call this the URL params. These params are passed to the loader with keys that match the dynamic segment. For example, our segment is named contact ID, so the value will be passed as params.contact ID. Oh, okay. So that's how we access it. These params are most often used to find the record by ID. Let's try it out. Add a loader function to the contact page, which is here. Okay, so we're importing JSON and loader data again. Is the hook that we're using. Oh, snap that here. Oh wait, form. Okay, import get contact from data. Okay, we're importing every single contact again, or the function to do so, I guess. Loader is equal to getting all of our contacts again, sure. Oh, it's complaining about params. Implicitly has any type. TypeScript issue again. Export default function contact. Contact is equal to use loader data. Type of loader. Okay. Oh wait. This is the only line of code I need to do, right? Export default function contact. Okay, and then I put this here. Oh wait, I'm replacing the first line here altogether. So instead of hard coding the contact, I get it dynamically here. Man, it's complaining like heck though. The following code is type errors and okay, sure. Okay, so what are we doing here? So the loader function is we pass in params. We get the contact based on the params.contact ID. Okay. Contact is equal to use loader data, type of loader. Okay. Man, I don't really understand this hook. Why do we need like this two-part hook to get our contacts data? Why can't we just have a function that's like const contact is equal to, you know, get contact? Is it because this is like a asynchronous call? Okay, but apparently they should dynamically fill out the details of our contacts now. Let me just save this. Hey, it's me, Chet Spinny Eyes. No, face reveal. I'm actually a dark-skinned woman. Everyone's a dark-skinned woman. Oh, except for Alex. Okay, what's next? Validating params and throwing responses. TypeScript is very upset with this. I can see that. Let's make it happy and see what it forces us to consider. import type. We got face reveals before GTA 6. Loader function args. Import invariant from tiny invariant. What are we doing with this? So in the loader function, invariant params.contact ID missing contact ID params. Okay. Loader function, console loader. So we're telling it to expect loader function args. Wait, what are we doing? Oh no, this is the params of the function. Invariant params the contact ID. Okay, so we're watching out for in case the contact ID doesn't exist in the params, huh? What is this? Binding element params implicitly has any type. Gotcha. So instead of params, we're doing loader function args. Okay, sure. I just remembered that I had the Senjure plugin when I was presenting a project to a professor of mine. Dang, did it yell at you? Okay, so we're gonna replace the whole function signature with this. We're gonna import loader function args. Remix run node. Can I just do this again? Loader function args. And then import invariant from tiny invariant. Okay. Wait, I'm kind of confused on what this is doing. So we're still taking a params argument, loader function args. Missing contact ID parameter. What is this thing that we're adding here? They were confused for a second. It's funny. Okay, I'm gonna ChatGPT this. Explain this function signature, please. Okay, we have a function called loader, yes. Load data for route before rendering a page. It's an asynchronous function. Params, loader function args. This is destructuring the argument that the function receives. Oh, okay. It expects an object, the params property, loader function args, describes the structure of the argument passed to the loader function. Route parameters like contact ID. Invariant, this is the check to ensure that params contact ID exists. Invariant is a function that throws an error if the condition is false. Okay. Async. Oh, okay, so this is all still part of... This is some weird syntax. Okay. So we have params. And apparently we're destructuring the argument. Expects an object. This is a type. Okay, so we're saying that loader function args is the type of the params that we pass in. And then and then we run this invariant params a contact ID, missing contact ID params, so, and then this throws an error if contact ID doesn't exist. Threev says, have you learned more JavaScript before this, by the way? Yeah, I learned how to write some functions and stuff, but the function signatures were never this complicated. Rahul says, how's your new job? Oh, it's good. I'm learning a lot of new stuff, like on LLMs and how their entire product works, just ramping up at the moment. First problem this highlights is we might have gotten the params name wrong between the file name and the code. Invariant is a handy function for throwing an error with a custom message when you anticipated a potential issue with your code. Use loader data type of loader now knows we got a contact or null. This potential null is cumbersome for our component code and the TS errors are flying around still. We could account for the possibility of the contact not being found in the component code, but the webby thing to do is to send it proper 404. We can do that in the loader and solve all of our problems at once. Okay. Now if the user isn't found, code execution down this path stops, and Remix renders the error path instead. Components in Remix can focus only on the happy path. Oh, okay. Bye Monkund. Thakur says, hi bro. Hello, how are you doing? Okay, copy this code, contact. So if not contact, throw new response, not found, status 404. Wait, does invariant not check for null, or it only checks if the parameter exists at all? Okay, so it could still be null or nothing. So if our contact is nothing, response not found. Got you. Okay. Threev says, what have you used for finding a job? Because LinkedIn is extremely bad and the jobs I've seen are even worse. Oh. I've used... what was that site called? I've actually used mostly LinkedIn. There was this other site called Brian's Job Search or something. No. Yeah, this thing. Someone recommended me Brian's Job Search. It basically searches the web for real time, like in real time, for job postings, like past 24 hours. Apparently the thing with LinkedIn is that, I guess LinkedIn posts for whatever reason, or job posts, are like always very old by the time you see it. Like many people have already applied. Yeah, this is allegedly much faster than LinkedIn. You'll see jobs as soon as they're posted. Yeah, oftentimes the jobs that you see on LinkedIn are like pretty old already. Like they're probably there as like after the company posted it on their own website for like a week or something. Yeah, so this searches the web for company websites directly for jobs. Yeah. I'm probably gonna go in like 10 minutes. They said this would take 30 minutes. They lied. Well, I'm pretty bad at JavaScript, so. Okay, let's refresh this. Yeah, so what happens if we do a user that doesn't exist, like Brett Chen 404. Okay, I guess that's this, right? The requirements I see in there are too bad, too lols. Most companies I've seen don't even seem to know what they're looking for. Me teaching you React when? Oh. That actually sounds good. We could schedule a stream like that. I would be down. Wait, so what happens if we don't have a contact over here? If we don't throw the 404? And we do Johnny Depp. Application error. Okay. Cannot read properties of null. Haha. Well, because we're trying to read the first here. Okay. So that's why we need this here. Yeah. Okay. Data mutations. We'll create our first contact in a second, but let's talk about HTML. Okay. Balmakun Tucker says, I'm fine, how are you? Respect for your great work. I'm doing good too. I'm learning a lot on my new job. So for context, man, I don't know how much I should say, but one of their products is basically a ChatGPT wrapper product. And looking through the source code and seeing the exact prompt and system prompt that they use for ChatGPT or whatever LLM they use is really funny. It's like, dang, I can't believe this is how it actually functions. Yeah. It takes a lot of time, this new job, but I feel like I'm learning a lot, so that's a good thing. You know what? They said that this is going to take 30 minutes, right? We've been streaming for an hour. How much do we have? Holy. Well, to be fair, a lot of this is just code that they pasted here. Dang. We're still not even a third in. We're here. At least the URL was in there, hopefully, right? Threep says, Lamau, was it not even in the env file? Wait, what was not in the env file? Oh, you mean the ChatGPT prompts? What? But yeah, seeing the exact prompt that they used for ChatGPT was really funny. Like, the prompt or prompts, was it not even in the env file? No. The prompts, system prompts, were all just like in a function, in a JavaScript function. Man. I remember there was this one bug that they gave me. They were like, figure out how to fix this. Basically, ChatGPT was outputting something wrong. And I just added a new line in their system prompt. It was like, ooh, how much should I talk about this? So basically the issue was our ChatGPT wrapper product was not recognizing complex names, like names with multiple words in it very well. That was the issue. Like if you gave it long names, it couldn't recognize it. So I just added a new line in the system prompt and it was like, watch out for names with multiple words, comma, you imbecile. Did that fix the issue? Yeah, it fixed the issue. What was really funny is that if you remove the comma, you imbecile, it doesn't work. it needs to be called an imbecile. They actually tested it out in front of a senior software engineer. And he was like, I have no words. uh, we did not actually end up doing that though. Like adding that into the system prompt because it only solved that one problem. And adding a whole new line in the system prompt just for one bug seemed a little bit overkill, you know? And it didn't solve like every single case of the bug, so yeah. But dang, it was so funny. It needed to be called an imbecile to work properly. The senior software engineer was like, I thought you had to be nice to the GPT for it to work. Dave says, no wonder there's been a lot of layoffs in the tech industry lately. Well, yeah, if all of your problems can be solved just by adding one line to a GPT, like if you can fix bugs just by adding one line to a GPT, to software engineering jobs. It doesn't work all the time though, for now. Emphasis on for now. So, jobs still relatively safe. Well, yeah, the interesting thing is, the way I'm being trained to write code right now, what's the time now? 1 minute. Whoop. Whoa. Oh, whoops. It's what? 1 minute 23 seconds in? 1 hour 23 seconds in. Yeah, anyways, the way I'm being trained to write code right now at work is like hybrid AI and myself. They actually encourage us to download AI plugins for VS Code or like whatever IDE we were working with. Have you guys heard of Devin? The company I work at bought Devin, or they paid a subscription for it. I don't think it's working very well. The CEO and senior software engineers aren't very happy with its performance. And it takes a long time to run too. But yeah, we're like heavily encouraged to ChatGPT and use AI autofill plugins for VS Code. And it does speed up work, I think. Some of the autocomplete AI in VS Code is pretty amazing. Like, it almost seems like it's reading your mind sometimes. Like you write one thing, and it predicts like, okay, you did this for megawatts, you probably want this thing too for gigawatts, kilowatts, stuff like that. AI thinking in my IDE has mostly bothered me other than help me. The specific plugin that we're encouraged to use is called, well, it's actually a code editor based off of VS Code. I think it's based on a fork or something, I'm not sure. This is good, I think. You can also like just prompt it to write stuff for you, like write a function for me that, I don't know, converts megawatts to kilowatts whenever the units are getting too big or whatever. Yeah, the company has a subscription to this thing. And then we're heavily encouraged to ChatGPT too. Okay, it's 11 o'clock my time. I have to leave now. I ain't moving from Neovim no matter who the AI overlord sent. Okay. Thanks everyone for coming. I haven't streamed for so long, I didn't expect people to actually come. Remixes. They said this would take 30 minutes. They lied. I did talk a lot though. Okay. Anyways, thanks everyone for coming. See you guys some other time. Bye. Bye Threeve. Bye Balmakund. Balmakin says, don't leave, please. I can't. I have to go. Alright, bye. See you.